My people, no be small thing o. You know say you don tey wey we dey talk about this tiger base. Go to Baraba's and come to Pampi Info. You are going to see a lot of videos we did 3 years ago concerning tiger base. These people don buy a lot of Igbo youths in that particular tiger base. And I'm happy today that the whole Nigeria, the whole world is waking up to see the atrocities being committed in that tiger base. So, but no be wetin carry us come here today o. They say that Imo State Police don discover a place where those organ harvesters dey carry people. We still shout abeg these people. We shout. They carry people go buy them, comot wetin dey for their body go sell for inside Imo State. So we go play the videos make you hear from their mouth. As that one dey happen o, come hear policeman don come outside come talk say Nnamdi Kanu. If any Igbo man wey no dey follow am, that means that Igbo man need to check him brain very well. Be you who in Nigeria. We'll go ahead go play some videos for Namona see as it dey happen. Stay tuned and share the videos.
Do you know what pains me the most? Is that the truth is very hard for people to believe, to digest, to swallow. It's very hard for people to digest too. If you're an Igbo man, then you don't support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That means you're not an Igbo. Maybe you are just from somewhere else. Yes, I come out to say it. Maybe you are just from somewhere else. I'm not an Igbo. I'm not a Fulani. I'm not an Hausa. I'm not a Yoruba. But I support that man with my life. With my blood, I support that man. I support him. I support him with my blood. You get why? Now why I tell you say the truth dey very hard for people to digest. The truth, it dey very hard for someone to swallow. It dey very hard. Even if you got a criminal now, very hard to get the truth from that criminal. It's only your IQ you use to get the truth, because you were not there with the time he committed the crime. It's only your IQ you use to get the truth. So the truth dey very hard. It dey very hard for people to swallow. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a great man. I'm telling you, he's a great man. Someone who comes out to speak.
Sir, may we know while you are here this afternoon, what's the purpose of your coming to this place?
Okay, good afternoon, members of the press. We received an intelligence report that unregistered mortuary is being discovered in this vicinity. His Excellency delegated the Commissioner for Health, the local government chairperson of Ungopala. Myself, I came to represent the Inspector General of Police. We visited this place. We saw scattered corpses, mutilated corpses in this environment. What we have seen, the corpses that we discovered are more than hundreds. And the owner of the mortuary is on the run. We sent for him, he refused to come. And severally, we mounted surveillance, whether we'll be able to get him. He's on the run. And by the information we gathered, they use this place in dumping the corpses of what they call Orgãn-Harvesting. And we are appealing on members of the public, whoever that have corpse here, to come forward, because His Excellency wants to unveil who are running this unauthorized mortuary. Because it's been in existence. It's now that we discover it. And by His grace, we arrest the suspects, and he's going to face the full wrath of the law. Thank you.
But are you by this as declaring him wanted?
We have already declared him wanted. He's on the road. We do not see anybody here. And this health hazard. And by His grace, the Commissioner of Health is here. The pathology is here. We may soon make a mass burial. Okay. Because it's constituting health hazard of this village.
So why you do that? Are you going to seal up this environment?
I think the Excellency want to even destroy the whole facility after obtaining legal order.
Okay, let's speak to the Commissioner for Health.
Members of the press. We came here today, and I'm here. My name is Dr. Chioma Egu, the Commissioner for Health, Imo State, and I'm here on the instance of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Imo State, to come and inspect a facility that the police has reported, to be of suspicious activities, said to be a mortuary. We have checked our records and we've not seen this place registered or any up-to-date registration of this facility in Ministry of Health. So we've come here to inspect and we found a lot of hundreds of dead bodies, decomposed, not taken care of. There's nothing to show that this place is a mortuary. There's nothing happening here, or even if you look at the corpses, there's nothing to show that there's any way they were trying to preserve them. So we are declaring this place a place of public health concern. It is hazardous to the environment, and we advise when we get back, we'll sit down and then we'll put down our reports and then we'll advise His Excellency. Thank you.
Let's talk with the pathologist. Let's talk with him. Is that the pathologist? Yes. Can you tell us from the professional point of view, what did you observe here? What did you observe? What are your observations?
Yeah, good afternoon, members of the press.
Introduce yourself to the press.
I'm Dr. Baja of the Imo State Specialist Hospital, Owerri. I'm here on the instance of the commissioner who invited me to come and ascertain the state of preservation of the corpses here in this so-called morgue. I also came on the instance of the Honorable Commissioner for Police. Incidentally, I was so astonished when I got here because the level of preservation, there's no level of preservation of the corpses. They are in total state of unfair preservation, and most of the bodies are mutilated and in a very terrible state of preservation. So, and even the environment does not depict an environment where bodies should be kept, because they are in very big state of disrepair. The building is dilapidated, the bodies are terribly preserved, and the environment is terribly insecure. If you come around, there are exit and entrance routes which does not depict a good mortuary setting. So I will advise the Honorable Commissioner to look inwards and check the records and ascertain whether this so-called mortuary is in existence or has updated its registration. Thank you.
So, pathologist, will it be right to say that some of the corpses, some organs have been extracted from them? Will it be right to say?
There are a lot of evidence of mutilation.
Okay. We want to get it clear. Let's speak with the chairman.
Good day, everyone. My name is Honorable Mrs. Chika Ibekwe, the Executive Chairman of Ngapala Local Government. We are here on the directive of His Excellency, the Single State of Uzodema, to critically look at the condition of this place based on the reports we've gotten from the indigenes of this place. And from what you can see, the corpses here, they have stayed more than what it should be. And I believe if there's somebody running this place, that person should have been here today to receive us. Because we've made this effort, we've made an attempt to reach out to the person running this mortuary, who always come here to find a ghost place. So on that regard, I would suggest, in fact, tomorrow I will be going to the radio, I'll be using the social media platforms to reach out to every Ngapala person. If you know that you have your person relative in this mortuary, the so-called mortuary, but I don't think this is a mortuary, the way it looks, they should quickly come and take their bodies, because any moment from now, we are going to, by the grace of God, if we get a letter from maybe Attorney General or something, we'll come back here to do a mass burial for these corpses and possibly demolish this building, because this kind of building can create insecurity. If you look at behind this building, it's been a bush. And if they're not using it and they keep it in this condition, it can be a place for criminals to hide. So we are not going to keep quiet, and we are not going to allow it to continue to happen. We'll make sure that we take care of this place to make sure that people's lives and property is well secured. Thank you.
Thank you. So, CP, we want to ask you one question, sir. Of recent, sir, the Owerri-Aba Road has been of a major security concern, have been a major security concern in Imo State. So, Imo Light, it will be right to ask, what are the efforts we are doing, sir, to improve this security situation in this part of the state?
As we can, you have seen it by yourself. We have enough deployment of security personnel. From the airport to this place, you saw not less than 6 patrol vehicles, well-manned, and checking vehicle professionally. I think you just did the question by yourself.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
This night now, that's in Biri community. I don't think they will sleep this night. Ndị Fulani herdsmen abatago n'Urodo community. Urodo community, the Nambi Itoru Imo State. Ha abatara na that community day before yesterday. Yesterday night, ndị Urodo community alahụhụla abalị because they don't know what will happen next. Today, some of those Fulani people, with their gun, abago Mbiri community, Mbiri the Nambi Itoru local government, Imo State. To the extent that this afternoon, those Fulani Ptanacho also na those communities. Which means this night, they are not going to sleep because they don't know what will happen next. Urodo community and the Mbiri community, the Nambi Itoru Imo State. Only voice note to my like Kige. The way different herdsmen see we surrender those communities, Urodo community, Yanambiri community, the Nambi Itoru Imo State. The way the situation is now, I'm asking only about ESN or only about government security. Any group who is ready to protect these people, they should go ahead. And the Fulani surrender go those communities.
Good evening. The thing, yesterday, day before yesterday, sorry, so yesterday, na Hanasu, Ndibo no Urodo na Chohoso, Hanine, Vodon Habalagashi, give one person yesterday. Kugidi, Yako, on your wire, the rest Habalagasia, and the Tawana, Abagoso, Biri, Nambirika, Kemeke Tawa. That was how to guys in deep when they're fun and there to go deep when deep like I share with them. And they came close to my community. Balagashia. So I will have again now. I will have again. I will go scattered now. You know, blame me, you get check home, you get the check one, and what will ever receive. You must say in there, who lock on that, would ever receive.
My people, now don't hear them as it they happen. I beg you, anywhere where they waka, be security conscious. They look back and front. You don't tell who they share this thing. Some people say, when they try to bring Imo State down, when they try to do this one because Nigeria never happened to you. Because if it happened to you, you understand. So many people don't cry about this tiger base. And if you track this organ harvesting base now, waiting for that place, you must get linked with these people because the way that they take carry people go they buy for that. But what they can't do for kidnapper, anti-kidnapping? Why be say kidnapping they go on for the state? Why anti-kidnapping they? If they catch innocent boys, they go buy them. If people get problem, they will carry the person go down for there. Leave anti-kidnapper work where they give them to work. They no do them again. No force for Nigeria where they do particular work where they sign them for. Every force getting work way in their work. Even the military is supposed to inside border, where as in front lines, they protect the country. They inside city, they harass people. Would you imagine? This is where we find ourselves inside Nigeria. I bet want to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.